Here is the visual evidence of the concept of continentality, one of the 6 major global temperature controls. In this case, what continentality is being measured is the difference in temperature of the average of January and the average of July in degrees C. And roughly you double the degrees C to get to degrees F in terms of change of temperature. But in any case, if you look at the Siberian 60 degrees C difference, you can see that that is an enormous amount of a range, more than 100 degrees Fahrenheit annual range of temperature, very extreme. You see a little bit of that happening, not that extreme, but over the North American continent, where about 45 degrees C of annual temperature range is observed. That's about 80 degrees Fahrenheit between the warmest month's average temperature and the coldest month's average temperature. For the continents in the southern hemisphere, they're not as large, other than Antarctica, and they don't really have contact with polar areas, so you don't see anywhere near the range. So the northern hemisphere is really where the big extremes are between winter and summer, not the southern. Antarctica is always cold and it never gets very warm, so you don't get that big range of temperature there.